Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add mods to Minecraft Realm Bedrock. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you have the game opened, close it. Once it's closed, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and just find any mod website. Okay, it could be MCP Central or whatever. CurseForge. Okay, so let's just go ahead and try MCP mods right here. Hit on enter and let's load up MCP Central. You gotta use CurseForge or whatever. Okay, so let's just go ahead and find an add-on. Maybe this one, Bushy Leaves. Gonna tap on it, or you can tap on the three dots right here, swipe down and find mods. Just tap on it and you'll be able to see it right here. Okay, so maybe again, Bushy Leaves. Tap on it, scroll down and find the download link. Okay. Scroll down, 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 right here. Tap on it. It depends on the website. The download process will be different. So skip to downloads right here. And here we have at the top, the Bushy Leaves. So I'm going to download this one from the top. Tap on it. I am not a robot. And just wait for the download button right here to pop up. Okay. Get downloads. File's ready. I'm going to tap on this one. Here we have it. So it's done downloading. Now open up your Play Store. You don't have to do it on iOS because you already have it. Okay. So type down File Manager and you'll have to download File Manager Plus right here. File Manager Plus. Okay. Tap on it, install it and open it. Once done, go ahead over to your downloads, which is right here at the top. Find the downloaded MC add-on. Make sure that it doesn't say mcaddon.zip, okay? You can tap and hold onto it. Now tap on rename. If it says mcaddon.zip or .7zip, remove the .zip, okay? Remove it, like so. And then once done, just tap on OK. Tap and hold onto it. Tap on the three dots and just tap on open with. Make sure that you select Minecraft. Always or just once, it's up to you. So just wait for it to open. As you can see here at the top, it says successfully imported Bushy Leaves. Now tap on settings right here. Scroll down in the left panel and find global resources. My packs right here. Bushy Leaves, tap on it and activate. Now once activated, you'll be able to see it right here at the top. Okay, so go back and that will apply, of course, to all of your worlds. So if you want to create it for your realms. So just click on play, create a world right here, create. And then at the bottom left, just make sure that under experiments, all of these toggles right here are enabled. Now the left panel, click on behavior packs. You have Bushy Leaves activated, resource pack, Bushy Leaves, make sure that it is activated. If it's not, go to available and activate it. Okay, so it's now activated. It's actually local and global, so we are good to go. You can just go ahead and change this to creative or survival if you want to, enable cheats if you want to, flat world, whatever. Just click on create or create on realms. Okay, here we have it, add realm. So just make sure that you have a realm subscription, and once that's done, you're good to go. Another option is by going to your realms right here. Okay. In this section, click on settings. As you can see, it's actually right here, but you can go ahead and click on new world, edit world. Make sure that behavior packs right here, my packs, Bushy Leaves is activated, and the resource packs as well, active. Just check it. And then once that's done, just click on create and you're good to go. That's just basically how you add mods to Minecraft Realm Bedrock. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.